Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with a quick shop tip. Do you know what this is? This, my friends, is a doze foot. And I apologize if the audio does not come through clear. I am speaking up loudly, but my microphone once again decided not to work. So it's not going to get paid today. So what does the doze foot do? The doze foot acts as a workbench aid to hold work in place. So when you have a piece of wood on the bench and it slides into the doze foot, it can't go past that and it can't go past that. So in a horizontal fashion, what that does is it allows you to put a piece of wood down against the stop, push it into the doze foot, and it can't go any further that way and it can't go any further that way. So that one is for 1-inch thick stock or thicker. I made a thinner one for this demonstration because I have this nice piece of clear white pine. So I'm using a hold fast to hold it to the bench. And how this all works is you take your workpiece, you put it down into your bench stop, okay? And then you put it in to the doze foot, and it can't go anywhere. It is stuck. It can't go anywhere. So now you're free to plane to your heart's content. And because it's locked in, you don't have to pick up your plane. You can pull it back and repeat. Once you're done with that side, you can flip it over, lock it in place, and do this side. You can also use it to do edge joints, thusly. And the reason I'm using the number 3 today is because I was working on a project and I needed to use that. So I just put a fresh edge on it and I figured, okay, let's use it in the demo. So that's it, everybody. The doze foot. Do you have one? Do you have bench holdfasts? If you don't have holdfasts, all you do is make your doze foot longer so that it sticks out past your workbench and you clamp it to your workbench. It's that simple. And we all know we have too many clamps, right? That's about it, everybody. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.